Welcome back. I hope you've been training using the reality testing method I gave you in the last module. If you haven't watched it yet, you can click on the link above for the full playlist. For today's module, we're going to learn about induction methods to lucid dreaming, and stick around for a Grabovoi code for that. Namaste, Sacred Masters. I'm Dr. Wbtb, Certified Shadowwork NLP Manifestation Coach, and today we're going to learn about induction methods. While many of you may feel lucid dreaming happens randomly, it is possible to induce lucid dreaming through these techniques I'm about to show you. There are three main induction techniques that can be used in one night session of lucid dreaming. They are Wbtb, MILD, mild, and WILD, WAL techniques. So without further ado, let's get started. The first technique is Wbtb, which stands for Wake Back to Bed method. Simply, wake up 5 hours after bedtime before going back to bed. If you look at this chart, you'll see the histogram sleep cycle. The red part is REM sleep, which is where lucid dreaming occurs. What happens is that during a brief awakening, the key brain areas have increased cortical activation when one slips back to REM sleep. Vivid dreaming occurs, which is why people accidentally experience lucid dreaming. You can set an alarm to wake up 5 hours, or, like me, drink plenty of water, so I'm sure I will wake up after an REM cycle to go to the bathroom. I'll be using the Wbtb method for our phase 1 sleeping meditation. What I will do is I'll put you into a meditative state for lucid dreaming and set an alarm for you at 5 hours into the video. The video will be the next one that I post after this. The next method is mild, otherwise known as mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. I covered it in previous videos already, so you may actually be doing this. The mild method is merely you setting an intention before you go to bed that you want to lucid dream, planting it in your subconscious mind. It is also similar to setting an intention like many of you do in your manifesting work via the law of attraction. Using this method, set an intention in your head or visualize that you will experience a lucid dream. It is best to perform this right after the Wbtb method when you wake up after 5 hours, but you can definitely do it before as well. This technique has been proven to work by American psychologist Stephen LaBerge in just 14 days. This is because it is based on the ability to remember and perform future actions called prospective memory. The most effective way to use the mild technique is to do it 1 week after writing your dreams in your dream journal, which I am hoping you have. If you want to know how to remember your dreams, you can check out this video on the link above or in the description below. The last method is the WAL method, which stands for Wake-Induced Lucid Dreaming. This is the most intense one and basically triggers sleep paralysis. When you've woken up from the Wbtb method, you should go ahead and lay back down within half an hour. The basis of this technique is to stay focused and awake while letting your body go to sleep. I will post a meditation for this and title it WAL Induction Method Meditation after the Wbtb video that you can use. What it will do is help your body go to sleep, but your mind stays awake. I know that's an interesting way to put it, but that's what essentially sleep paralysis is. Your muscles become paralyzed and your temperature drops. So, as your body dips into sleep, your mind is focused to stay awake in this dream, creating and inducing a lucid dream. When you close your eyes, instead of darkness, you will see patterns and colors that begin to form in the darkness. Sometimes you may see faces. This is a hypnagogic state, and you may hear sounds like echoes of voices or other sounds, aka the half-dream state. Sensations you will begin to feel is numbness in your body, and some people report that it can be scary. There is nothing to be afraid of. It is just your body being asleep, but your consciousness is not. When I am finished and upload my 2 stages of lucid dreaming meditation, I will automatically incorporate these 3 techniques in them. This video is for you to understand why I'm doing it and how it works, so you are always aware of the science behind it. Thus, my first video is played before you go to bed, and it's time to wake you up in 5 hours. After about half an hour, you can begin to play the second video, which would then incorporate some of these induction techniques for phase 2. I'll post the link of the whole playlist in the comments through a pin post, so you can save the playlist and keep coming back to it. These lucid dreaming meditation videos will contain binaural beats and Solfeggio frequencies to help your brain vibrate at the right frequencies for lucid dreaming. One of the things I will incorporate as well is the Grabovoi Code for lucid dreaming. If you don't know what Grabovoi Codes are, you can click on this link above to find out more, or check out the description box below. As promised, the Grabovoi Code is 612066285 for lucid dreaming. If you would like me to make a separate Grabovoi sleep programming video, comment below to let me know and I'll make one. This is because you don't want to use my lucid dreaming meditation videos every day as well. I have found lucid dreaming every day can be exhausting, and sometimes it will take me a moment to kind of calibrate myself back into reality. If you want to try these techniques yourself, by setting your own alarm for the Wbtb method and doing your own visualization for the MAO method, or staying away for the WOW method, you can do that. Otherwise, you can wait as I begin to upload these videos for this meditation. When done, you can see the videos on the playlist, so click on this right now and save it, and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can see more of these shadow work videos.